Stressing the need for a political solution to the present crisis in the state, ex-MP and former President of All India Democratic Women's Association, Brinda Karat has maintained that the first steps towards bringing a political solution to the crisis is the removal of CM Biren Singh, who is responsible for the very disheartening present turmoil in the state. Addressing media persons, said Manipur Press Club on Friday after their meeting with victims of communal violence, Brinda Karat said that Manipur, which is a land of diversity, is now being tied up and rules by politics of human destruction. Despite the presence of a government of the same party both in the state and at the center, it is very unfortunate that the violence in the state still continue even after 100 days.
All the voices of women in the camps, whether they are tribal voices, whether they are Kuki or Zobe voices, whether they are the voices of mighty women who have been met in the camps here in Imphal, the suffering of women, the suffering of children has not moved this government to act. And it has not moved the double-engine government of Delhi to act. It is a shame on all of us, and it is a shame on our country. Yesterday in the parliament, we could not hear the speeches directly because we were with the women in the different areas. We could not hear it, but what I was told that yesterday the Prime Minister said, how could we remove a Chief Minister if he is cooperating? Who is he cooperating with? I ask you. Who is he cooperating with? Where is the cooperation with whom? Is it with the Constitution of India that there is cooperation? Is it with the forces who want unity? Is it with the forces who want to defend the dignity of human beings as human beings? I have seen the women of Manipur, the strongest women of Manipur, who fought for Manipur. Today those women are deeply divided. Deeply divided. Who is it helping?